Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of my family's all-time favorite meals, Greek lemon pepper chicken and potatoes. It's not just delicious, it's so easy to make. Now, I've been on a weight loss journey recently, so today I will be showing you the small adjustments that I make to this classic dish to make it suitable for my current healthy lifestyle. Stick around till the end because we'll be comparing both versions in terms of visuals, calories, and of course the taste. Let's get to cooking. I have preheated the oven to 175 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit, and I got my baking tray ready. Use approximately 1 kg of chicken thighs and drumsticks. For the original recipe, chicken goes in with the skin. Here's our first tip for reducing calories. Add roughly diced potatoes to the tray. Include halved garlic cloves and roughly chopped onion. Next, season with salt for taste. Add generous amount of oregano. Next, add black pepper to your taste. Now, sprinkle paprika over your chicken pieces. Now I'm going to turn the chicken and repeat the same. Now it's time to make the marination. Typically, this dish requires 50 milliliters of olive oil, but we will only be using 1 tablespoon today. That's our calorie reducing tip number 2. But we will add the secret ingredient at the end, you will see. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 100 milliliters of fresh lime juice, a roughly chopped full onion, a handful of fresh rosemary, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of honey, few garlic cloves, and the secret ingredient, few cubes of ice. Now I'm going to blend this until it's smooth. Now I'm going to cover both sides of the chicken with the marinade that we made. Dish with the damp baking paper. Next, cover it with foil. Now we are going to bake this at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, we are going to have a look. This is how our chicken looks after 1.5 hours. Now we are going to bake the chicken for additional 20 to 30 minutes to brown the chicken. Our chicken is done. The original lemon pepper chicken is served with Greek bread or rice. The added onion and garlic will provide tons of flavor. This dish will approximately have 600 calories per person for a 200 grams of chicken serving with 27 grams of protein. Compared to the original lemon pepper chicken dish, for the same quantity, it will be ranging from 800 to 1200 calories. It's time to taste the dish. To be honest, the original version still wins for the taste, but for 400 calories less, this healthier version is definitely a great alternative. I hope this video helps you in your fitness journey. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content like this. We'll see you next time.